Hello viewer, it's a duck design we are using there. Create another shape we have here in it. Keep on editing. Generate another designs. Explore the different options. I will find there to make some attractions. So we will use the designs again. Also find some features. So there is a paint we have there. Use an eraser tool. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.